If you don't feel comfortable with your body, if you think, oh, maybe this is too fat and oh, I don't feel beautiful, please start belly dancing, and also please start the free online course with Essence of Belly Dance, because
I feel so much more confident,
comfortable in my own body,
a little bit more freedom.
From the first day on, you will feel better.
Can take you to that dream, that destiny that you want.
Learn to love life, actually.
Hey, I'm Sally.
My name is Sonia.
My name is Lily Violet.
My name is Agatha.
My name is Manuela.
My name is Gloria.
I'm Sophia.
I'm Anastasia.
Alice. I come from France.
Basically, I found Coco through YouTube.
I did the sensuous workout. I really wanted to learn belly dance, and so I went to the class of Coco.
And decided that I wanted to work really hard to save up to come here to take the teacher training.
Belly dance teacher training is suitable for women that want to take control of their lives.
Yeah, it's good for not only dancers or sporty women.
I wasn't sure if I'm a dancer, if I can be a teacher. I didn't know that. I was very unsure. At first I was a bit nervous,
because I was a beginner when I started, and I was not sure if my dancing is enough, but I must say it's really structured, and you have 1 month of an online training course.
Understanding the foundation.
It's not just dancing, it's also psychological.
You learn things about yourself that you weren't expecting.
And being comfortable in my own body.
I'm more aware of what I'm eating and how I'm walking, and I feel more embodied and more present.
For me, movement is very healing, and that's what I want.
And also I felt that I have a lot more tools that I can transmit to my students.
And the whole atmosphere is very safe, so you never feel judged in any way.
And whenever I come to the Essence of Belly Dance teacher trainings, I feel as I'm dancing my heart and connecting with women and creating a good women's community.
It was just so beautiful that through our collective minds and wounds, we can open up and help heal each other. So I think the idea of sisterhood and the circle in this sisterhood, it was beautiful.
I have never seen so many interesting women who have so much power in one group.
I really feel that I have a family now somehow.
It's a super relaxed atmosphere where we could let go and be ourselves and show our wounds, and also just feel free to dance and to express ourselves through movement.
I see more potential. It helped me find a new direction in my life.
I really cannot wait to go back to the States so I can take this method with me and be able to show it to others as well.
I love to give them this gift that you have given us of taking time.
You can discover your tender side.
Like a retreat for your soul.
You use the pelvic floor integration. It makes the movements more elegant, more sexy.
To be soft is actually strong.
It's nice to feel like a woman.
Yeah, I feel so much more confident.
Expressive and supportive, warm.
I completely rewired my brain, a lot of positive energy, a lot of skills on how to really work with myself.
And most importantly is that I felt more connected with my pelvic floor, and I think that was a game changer for me.
And I'm very happy about this experience.
I would recommend Essence to everyone.
Everyone should really go for it. You will not regret it. It is worth every euro that is spent. You will learn so much about yourself.
You cannot forget to just live and then be happy with yourself.
Just come and join us.
Every woman is welcome here, and it's just such a nice sisterhood, and we are part of it.